Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Alexandre Bellemare with you to present you a new podcast. This week we'll go ahead and talk about NVDA, a free screen reader available for Windows. Olivier will be back with you after a couple of weeks off. He'll show you all functionalities of this screen reader that unfortunately not a lot of you know about. It is possible with NVDA to navigate on the web, manage emails, write text, read text, and do much and much more. Enjoy!
Hello everybody, welcome to a new podcast. Olivier with you, very glad to be back. Today I will start a new series of podcasts about NVDA. Basically, what is NVDA? This is a screen reader for Windows, which is open source and free of charge, which means anybody can download it and install it free of charge, and the source code is available to anyone. So anybody could take the code of NVDA and make a screen reader based on that code. Now, because NVDA is free, it means that it has to use open source material. So the default voice is called eSpeak. This is a very robotic voice. In order to make NVDA a free screen reader, the creators had to use an open source voice. Like they couldn't use Eloquence and Vocalizer because they're not open source. The company who makes NVDA is called NV Access. This is an Australian company. However, NVDA is translated in many languages around the world. It works with all versions of Windows, starting with Windows XP, all of the way to Windows 10. Another advantage of NVDA is that it can be used as a portable screen reader. So let me explain that to you. Let's say you want to use a computer, let's say at your school, that has no screen reader installed on it. And let's say you have a portable copy of NVDA on a USB flash drive. What you do, you put your USB flash drive into your computer and then you launch NVDA either by using narrator or by asking someone to do it for you. And then you can use the computer even if NVDA is not installed. So it can be used directly from the USB flash drive. However, be aware that some computers are set in a way that executable files cannot run. Even if you don't need to install, sometimes administrators do block access to running executable files. In this case, if it happens to you, then you cannot use a portable version of NVDA. Before we get started to actually making it speak, I also want to tell you that if you want to switch from JAWS to NVDA, or if you want more training with NVDA to make yourself more comfortable with it, Canadialog can offer you individual training. So call us and it will be a pleasure for us to help you. Now let's get started. NVDA is installed on my Kangaroo, which is a product sold by Canadialog. I am running the latest version of Windows 10 on it. I'm gonna go on my desktop and you will hear eSpeak.
Recycle bin not selected 1 of 9.
So you will hear the exact same voice at the exact same speed rate when you launch the NVDA installer. To access the NVDA menu where you can change several settings, you press the NVDA key, which by default is the insert key and the letter N. N as NVDA.
NVDA menu.
From here, you have a couple of options. So I'll down arrow.
Preferences submenu P.
Preferences.
Tools submenu T.
Tools. And we will return to preferences.
Preferences submenu P. General settings G.
So here you have the general settings.
Synthesizer S.
Synthesizer.
Voice settings V.
Voice settings. And you have so much more. You have braille settings. Mouse settings. And you have a lot of stuff. I will let you explore this by your own. So let me press escape.
Preferences submenu P.
Let's go to tools.
Tools submenu View log V.
View log. So this is about developers. So we don't have to worry about that.
Speech viewer S.
Speech viewer. What it does, it shows you everything that the TTS said. Next we have
Python console P.
Python console, all about development.
Manage add-ons A.
Manage add-ons. NVDA is open source. Anybody can modify it. Everybody can add features to it. So to add features to NVDA, you can use add-ons. And there are plenty of these. For example, there's an add-on to take remote control of a computer. There are some add-ons for vocalizer voices, eloquent. If you want to get these voices, you can install them. You can install even a cappella voices. You have some add-ons to extend Windows 10 features. There are plenty of them. And you can find a lot of add-ons on internet. Next we have
Create portable copy C.
So create portable copy. I was speaking about that earlier. So you can choose to create a portable copy, and you can choose also to copy your configuration. So basically your add-ons would stay there. So when you start NVDA from your flash drive, let's say you're using Vocalizer because you bought it, and Vocalizer will speak on the computer. Next we have
Reload plugins R.
Reload plugins.
Remote submenu E.
Remote, so this is not there by default, but this is to take control of another computer.
Tools submenu T.
So I pressed escape to get out of the tools menu. Next, after the tools menu, you will find a help submenu which contains documentation, resources to help you, etc. To exit NVDA, press the NVDA key and the letter Q as quit.
Exit NVDA dialog. What would you like to do? Combo box exit collapse alt plus D.
So here you can choose between exit,
Restart.
restart,
Restart with add-ons disabled.
restart with add-ons disabled. If something goes wrong with NVDA and you don't know if the problem is coming from an add-on or not, you can start NVDA. Like I would call this a safe mode start with basically every add-ons disabled. So let me escape.
Desktop list. Recycle bin not sim.
Now I will open Internet Explorer to show you a bit.
Internet Explorer Internet Explorer.
I will change voice because eSpeak is very robotic, and we will use the mobile voices which are available in Windows 10. You can use these voices as well. So let me switch synthesizer. So I will go to the NVDA menu.
NVDA menu.
Then preferences.
Preferences general settings. Synthesizer. Synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer. Combo box eSpeak NG collapse alt plus S. Windows 1 core voices.
Windows 1 core voices.
Google Internet Explorer. Google Document. Combo box editable.
And we have Microsoft David. Let's change that. So I'll press Control Insert V to go to the voice settings.
Voice settings dialog. Voice. Combo box Microsoft David Mobile.
Microsoft Xerox Mobile. Google Internet Explorer. Google Document.
And I'll type Canadialog.
C-A-A-D-A-F-O-G. Canadialog Google Search Document
To
button.
navigate by heading, I'll press H as I do with JAWS.
Search landmark Google graphic link heading main landmark search results heading level 2. Canadialog shared perspectives visited link Canadialog shared perspectives.
So I'll press Insert F7.
Elements list dialog. Tree view. Level 0 skip to navigation 1 of 112.
And as you can see, it brought a list of links.
D. Download 69 of 112 level 0. Canadialog. Shared perspectives
So
Internet
I am in
Explorer.
the download link, and I can go to the next checkbox or to the next button by pressing X and B.
No next checkbox.
So here there's none.
List with 7 items increase by 25% the site font size. Button. Decrease by 25% the site font size. Button.
NVDA also work if you want to edit text.
Notepad. Untitled
So here
notepad.
I am in Notepad.
Text editor edit multi-line. Blank H E L O comma T A space D E N O space I A space V D A dot hello. This is a demo with NVDA.
And let me close up Notepad.
Notepad dialog. Do you want to save changes to Untitled? Save button. Alt. Don't save. Desktop list.
As you can see, it reads dialog boxes. Just like with JAWS, you can have a keyboard help with NVDA. So basically, you press a key and it tells you what it does. So to turn this on and off, you press NVDA. So insert or caps lock and the number 1 on your keyboard. Insert 1 to turn it on and insert 1 to turn it off. You also have the ability to use your mouse. Basically, when you move your mouse, it's announced. But I cannot demonstrate it here because I have no mouse plugged in. You can also have the equivalent of the audio docking feature, which was introduced in JAWS 18. So let me show you how to activate it. So go to your synthesizer.
Synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer. Combo box Windows 1 core voices collapsed Alt plus S.
So to go directly to the synthesizer dialog, I pressed Control Insert S. So now tap
Output device. Combo box Microsoft Sound Mapper collapsed Alt plus D. Audio ducking mode. Combo box no ducking collapsed Alt plus D.
audio docking mode. So you have 3 choices, I believe. So the very first one is
No ducking.
no ducking.
Duck when outputting speech and sounds. Always duck.
So these are your options. Let me escape. Now I will show you where you can find some add-ins.
Internet Explorer.
So just type NVDA
V D A
space
space
ADDONS.
A D O N S. NVDA add-ons Google search document. Main landmark search results heading level 2. Welcome to the NVDA community add-ons website link heading level 3.
So here, this is a website that has a lot of add-ons.
Welcome to the NVDA community add-ons website document. Welcome to the NVDA community
So let me go
add-ons
by
website.
heading.
Welcome to the NVDA community add. Say current keyboard language link heading level 1. Object location tones link heading level 1. Enhanced ARIA link heading level 1. Lambda add-on for NVDA link heading Speech history link heading level 1.
So these are all add-ons.
Blank. Posted.
I'm done arrowing now.
Wednesday, May 17th, 5 minutes and 49 seconds 2017. Heading level 1 link speak passwords.
So if I am interested with an add-on, all I would do, I would click it. It would give me the description and I could download it. So as I said, there are plenty of add-ons. If you want to have the Windows One Core voices, you need to have Windows 10 and you need to have version 1607 and above, which is the anniversary update and above. You also need to have at least NVDA 2017.3, which is the latest version. Although in earlier versions, there are ways with add-ons to get them. So if you want additional demonstrations, like for example, demonstrations with Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Office, or if you have any questions regarding NVDA, which I use as my primary screen reader, don't hesitate to contact us. And don't forget, personal training is available for you, so I encourage you to take advantage of this. So this was Olivier. Thank you so much for listening. Bye for now.
Before the end of this podcast, I would like to say thank you for your loyalty to this series of podcasts about assistive technologies. I would also like to thank our loyal collaborator. As a reminder, I would like to inform you that Canadialog will not provide free technical support on products presented during these shows and that are not sold directly by Canadialog. For any questions, comments, or suggestions about our podcast, you can reach us via email at podcastwithns@canadialog.com. That is PODCASTS at CANADIALOG.com. You can reach us by phone using our toll-free number at 1-888-730-0003 extension 555. Again, 1-888-730-0003 extension 555. I also invite you to visit our website, which contains a lot of useful information at www.canadialog.com. www.canadialog.com. You can also visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks for listening.